The governor has furnished evidentiary material before you in the nature of, number one, her response, affidavits in support of that response, an index of annexures, which are documentary exhibits, and 2 flash discs with various video clips that would contextualize for you what the political atmosphere in Meru is. Despite that political atmosphere, which is the reality in which this governor operates, the Controller of Budget report has indicated that this governor leads a county that has a 71% absorption of its development budget. Honorable Senators, you sit here oversighting many counties, and you know better than I do the degree of efficiency one requires in this country to even achieve that feat. The latest InfoTrack research, which is less than a week old, has ranked the Honorable Governor Kawira Mwangaza among the top 4 performing governors in this country. And that is the person that is presented before you and who has been treated to the descriptive epithets that the Learned Counsel for the Assembly have described just a few minutes ago. We had the privilege, Honorable Senators, of following debate on the motion on whether this House will go the committee way or will go the plenary way. And we were persuaded by the following submission by members of this Senate. We want to know what is happening in Meru. Evidence will show you, Senators, what is happening in Meru. When you look at the evidence presented before you by the County Assembly, and I emphasize that because the burden of proving these charges is the burden of the County Assembly. Because at the end of it all, this Senate has to make a finding whether the charges, my apologies, have been established or have been proved. That evidence by the Assembly will fall into 9 broad categories. You realize, Honorable Senators, that all the evidentiary material before you presented by the Assembly is information that was generated between August and September 2023, solely for that period.